In this brief video, you'll learn how to set up your Greenlite 5-outlet Tier 1 advanced power strip to instantly save energy in your home. Your Greenlite advanced power strip has a total of 5 outlets, 1 control outlet, 2 switched outlets, and 2 always-on outlets. The control outlet controls the 2 switched outlets. This means that if a device is plugged into the control outlet and is powered on, power will flow to the devices plugged into the switched outlets too. If the device plugged into the control outlet is off, no power will flow to the devices plugged into the switched outlets to prevent energy waste. Any devices plugged into the always-on outlets will always have power. The most common household applications for your Greenlite Tier 1 advanced power strip are with a TV or PC. Let's walk through both applications. To use your Greenlite advanced power strip with a TV or PC, first start by plugging your computer or TV into the outlet labeled Control. Plug any electronics that need constant power into the outlets labeled Always On. For computer setup, this is usually a router and a modem. For TV setup, this can include a DVR, a cable box, a router, or a modem. Proceed to plug in any other electronics that are only needed when your TV or PC are on, such as an Apple TV, Blu-ray player, Roku, or DVD player for TV setup, or a printer, external speakers, or scanner for computer setup, into either of the outlets labeled Switched. These outlets switch on or off when the TV or computer is turned on or off. Plug the power strip into a grounded outlet and you're ready to go. Now, when you turn your TV or computer on, the switched outlets will have power and the devices plugged into them can be used. When you turn your TV or computer off, the devices plugged into the switched outlets will turn off and stop drawing standby power. This saves energy, which reduces your electric bill and saves you money. If you have questions for Greenlite or need help, just contact us.